What's up y'all, Wallamoose here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn those pesky HEIC files into JPEGs. But before we do that, my name is Josh, aka Wallamoose, and I post here on YouTube once a week with videos regarding graphic design. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe. I'd love to have you along for the ride. But without further ado, let's jump in here and get started. Alrighty, so you may have noticed whenever you send images from your iPhone to your computer, they come through as a .HEIC, which stands for High Efficiency Image Format. And it's essentially Apple's file format to keep large amount of data in a small compressed file for your phone. So it's optimized for your phone, but when you're dealing with Photoshop and Illustrator, sometimes it doesn't import correctly, so you need to convert it from HEIC to JPEG. And now I'm going to show you how to do that. It's actually really easy and just takes a matter of seconds. So on the left hand side here, I've got an image capture on my phone, and I'm going to send an airdrop photo from my phone to my computer so you can see the whole step of the process. So I'm going to open Photos and just choose a random photo. You can see my dogs in my garden there. Let's just do this one right here. And I'm going to airdrop it to my computer. Alrighty, you can see up here it came in and it went right to my downloads, but it came through as image_8368.heic, which is the problem. So what we're going to do is we are going to right click, open with preview. And even over here you can see it's a .heic file. All we need to do is have the image selected, go up to File, Export, and I'm going to show you how to do bulk exports in a second. This is just for one single image, so bear with me for a second and then we'll do bulk right after. So immediately right off the bat it shows just your standard export screen, and we're going to save it to, let's do downloads, and we can name it converted file. And then as you can see down here, we can choose which file format. So we're going to do about medium quality, so it's less than a gig, and make sure the file format is JPEG. Once that's selected, hit save, and there you go. It just converted to JPEG. So literally a matter of seconds, super easy to do. Now let's say you have multiple HEIC files and you want to bulk convert them to JPEG. So I'm going to exit out of here, and I'm just going to make a whole bunch of copies so I have multiple HEIC files. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to highlight, shift select all the HEIC files I want to convert, and then I'm going to right click, open with preview. Same as before, but this time, as you can see on the left hand sidebar, all of the images are within one preview document. Now what we're going to do is make sure the first one is selected, go up to Edit, select all so that all of the images are selected, File, Export Selected Images. And now same as before, you can choose where you want to save it. Let's create a new folder for converted images, hit create, choose, and it's exporting the documents right now. So now if we go back here, we can see our file, and all of the images are now converted to JPEG. So that's that. It's super easy to do if you're doing single and bulks, but if you have any questions or if you have any issues, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to help you out. But if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.